IC kids! How are you all? Great! So it is that time of the year once again when you all can become spooky and scary and crazy. You know why? Because it's Halloween season. What is Halloween's Day? Anyone knows? Anyone knows why do we celebrate Halloween's Day? Well, in earlier times, people used to get dressed up in scary, ghostly costumes. They used to wear scary masks because they believed doing so, they will be able to camouflage them among the evil spirits which are moving around them. They will be able to hide away from the evil spirits. That's why they like to dress up in scary, ghostly costumes and wear scary masks on their face. With time, Halloween's Day has evolved, and originally it began in Europe, but now it is celebrated almost everywhere around the world with much more enthusiasm and excitement. Yes, this day, you mostly see blacks and oranges. Blacks and orange costumes and blacks and orange masks. So black and orange is the color which is associated with Halloween's Day. But yes, you can be as creative when you are celebrating your Halloween's Day. You can use any color of your choice. Just design your mask, just design your own costumes, and just delve into the excitement of Halloween's Day. Well, today I'm here to disclose a good news for you all. I'm here to tell you about Yellow Class Halloween Special Fancy Dress Contest. Are you excited for the contests? Be as creative as you can. Post the picture on Instagram and Facebook pages of Yellow Class. Tag Yellow Class and tag 5 or more of your friends. 5 lucky winners will win rupees 2,000 vouchers from Yellow Class. I hope I have given you enough reasons to participate in the contest. And the contest is already running. The last day to submit your entry is 30th of October, and 5 lucky winners who will get maximum likes on their post will be announced on 2nd of November, and they will win gift vouchers of 2,000 rupees. So hurry on, be creative, use your mind, use your creative sense and create your costumes, create your mask, click a picture and participate in Halloween Special Fancy Dress Contest at Yellow Class, and you never know, you can be the lucky one this time. See you, bye-bye.